Gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Los Angeles. Local time here is about 4:40. It's going to take the captain a few moments to taxi the aircraft over to the gate. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to our final stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Use caution when opening the overhead bins. Articles do tend to shift during the flight. If you have questions regarding ground transportation, baggage claim, or you're making further connections today, our Delta agents waiting on our flight will be happy to assist you. We do have TV monitors located in the concourse with your gate information. If you are connecting on to Alaska Airlines, our codeshare partner, you will be departing out of Terminal 6. On behalf of this entire Los Angeles-based flight crew, it's been our pleasure having you on board. We certainly appreciate your business here at Delta. We thank you for choosing to fly with us. We look forward to seeing you again on future Delta flights. Thank you and good evening.